Hello? What? What? Does anybody else have T-Mobile? No. No. Do you pay for it in the state that you use it in? Is it crappy for you? Granted, customer service is great with your problems. You can be like, this is wrong, or this is wrong, or this isn't happening, and they'll be like, oh, we'll do this and this and this, and it'll fix it. Kind of saddens me that customer service is that great, because, you know, maybe they have the same problem all the time. Oh, we get that all the time. Just do this and this. Wait, you get that all the... But why? Huh?